Hello. What I have here is a JC Penney model 9710. This is a 2-speed box fan from 1975. This was made by Lakewood. See, it's like a beige yellow kind of color. This has what is known as the first gen plastic blade set. This came out in around 1975 when this fan was made. This was an eBay purchase earlier last year. This has a Macmillan motor. Tag still on the bottom of it. I even kept a little cord wrap thing. I think the cord was kind of bundled up and stuffed inside of this when it was in the package, brand new. And so you'll find a few Lakewoods that still have that. But this one is in, I'd say, excellent shape. It's not perfect. There is some wrinkling in the paint from moisture ingress. And there's a bit of a damage here from something getting on there. I don't know what it is. It's like epoxy or something. It won't come off. Other than that, there's no severe rust in the cabinet anywhere. It's pretty clean inside. Runs great too. The guards are perfect. No broken pieces, no cracks. So we'll run this up. This has the smaller handle with the screws that hold it in. The earlier one. Start on low. About 1.2 amps. Shakes a little bit. Not too bad. It's high speed. Amp. Shut it off there. This is currently the only first gen blade set Lakewood in my collection. I'm currently looking for other versions of the with the first gen blade. Like I want to get a blue K223, possibly with a Westinghouse motor. I really want to get a first gen with a Westinghouse motor in it. And also, I really want a P223 first gen in terracotta. I used to see one in the in a window of an apartment building when I was a kid, going to school on the bus. Every day I would stare at that fan, and I definitely remember the blade shape and the color. They used it as an intake fan. Definitely want one of those, but those don't pop up too often. But yeah, besides a few paint blemishes, this thing's in great shape. It runs great. I've used it a couple times. Anyways, that's it for this fan. On to the next one. Later.